Presented in 2009, the Evora was the main all-new auto from Lotus since the Elise, which appeared in 1995. A 2+2 GT, it utilizes the same spearheading aluminum undercarriage tech as the Elise, extended and stretched. The Evora has dependably been superb to drive and we've adored each one, yet the invigorate that made the Evora 400 was transformational. It likewise made the auto indeed consistent with US controls, enabling it to be sold in this nation after a concise exit for the 2015 model year. With 400 strength from its supercharged 3.5-liter Toyota V6 pushing 3,153 pounds, the Evora was a minor, lightweight, simple games auto in a group that has turned out to be by and large bigger, fatter, and more computerized. At that point Lotus uncovered the Evora Sport 410, a somewhat more capable variant of the auto that weighed 132 pounds less. It was our auto of decision for 7 days at tracks from Spa to the Nürburgring, and we were unable to consider anything that could improve the Evora. Much to our dismay, Lotus was dealing with a definitive emphasis of the model. That would be the Evora GT430, an auto that resembles an Evora however feels entirely unexpected. Think Mustang GT350 to GT, Corvette Grand Sport to Stingray, Mercedes-AMG GTR to GTS. It is the most intense, lightest, and most engaged form of the Evora at any point constructed. Will a 10-year-old auto with a Toyota Camry motor contend with autos with a far greater improvement spending plan, more power, and more up-to-date stages? Take a gander at the GT430, and you comprehend its purpose. There is carbon fiber, both uncovered and painted, everywhere. The wing is sufficiently huge to use as an improvised bar. The tires are Michelin Pilot Sport Cup 2s, 245s in advance, 295s out back. The back seats are gone and the move system has been made lighter. It has AP racing brakes, lightweight movable suspension, a titanium debilitate that turns a splendid blue when presented to warm, and the supercharged V6 has been supported to 430 drive. Presently it makes the rush to 60 out of 3.6 seconds, gets to 100 in under 8, and has a best speed of 190 miles per hour because of the enormous wing. A form without the wing, the GT430 Sport, will hit 196 miles per hour. Despite the fact that the auto isn't at present available to be purchased in the US, Lotus is completing homologation of the GT430 now. It will be accessible in this nation in constrained numbers toward the finish of summer 2018.